guys, how are you? My name is Junaid Mahboob and today we will discuss one of the basic points from project management, and that is the difference between project and operation. In this video we will discussing a few points that makes projects different from operations. So let's start. Starting from the definition, we all know that projects are temporary. They have a fixed start and a fixed end. On the other hand, operations are not temporary, they are ongoing. Let's understand with an example. For example, let's say there is a company X wants to introduce a new phone, let's say model Y, and the company says that the model Y will have a new feature of face recognition. So for that model, company has to define a scope, they have to allocate a budget, and they have to decide a timeline for that project. After the project is complete and the company has the new phone model Y, now the company has to make more phone like the model Y. Now this will be called as an operation. Coming to the second point regarding the output of projects, we all know that projects output are very unique. On the other hand, operations doesn't have a unique output. Coming to the third point regarding the budget, obviously to complete a project certain tasks are required, and to complete that task certain efforts are required. So the budget of a project will be defined by the level of effort or number of tasks required to complete that project. On the other hand, the operations have a fixed budget, usually allocated at the start of the year. Coming to the fourth point regarding the human resource, the human resource that completes the project usually doesn't have a home. It means that they are hired for the project and they will be released after the project is completed. Regarding the operation, the team always have a home. They always have a department where they work. Coming to the fifth point, the main purpose of the project is to introduce change. They always introduce changes in the market. On the other hand, operation doesn't introduce any changes, they only support the business. Regarding the sixth point, the work done in project is unique. They have limitations. May have a limitation of scope, they may have a limitation of time, they may have a limitation of budget. On the other hand, in the operations work done is repeatable. They are done on a regular basis. So these were the few points that makes projects different from operations. Hope you like the video. Kindly subscribe to my channel.